Outside the Supreme Court, sidewalks were filled with activists arguing that under Obamacare, family-owned companies can be forced to pay for abortion-inducing drugs and devices. We caught up with them to find out how much they know about this case. What specific drugs is Hobby Lobby challenging in this case?
So the specific drugs, well, I mean, I don't know brand names, but like sort of birth controls and sort of all contraceptives that are sort of covered under, that are now covered under ACA, just sort of contraceptive coverage in general.
They're also fighting against sessions afterwards and consultations for pregnant women to talk about and discuss what they should do post-pregnancy, which is something that's really important for women.
Can you tell me what specific drugs and devices the Green and the Hans families are fighting against?
Devices? I'm sorry.
They're fighting against the contraceptives, Plan B, those types of things those types of drugs.
Do you know the specific contraceptives they're fighting against?
No, I'm not.
Do you know specifically what drugs and devices Hobby Lobby is fighting against?
I'm sorry, I'm 15. I've not read up on the literature, but I believe in the morals and the idea to successfully secure it.
So you don't know what specific contraceptives they're fighting against?
Plan B.
So if you do know the drugs and devices this case is fighting against, can you tell me?
No, I don't think that's important.
I believe they're fighting against various forms of birth control coverage.
Do you know any specifics?
I think they believe that all birth control is not appropriate in their particular faith tradition.
The Hans family. I'm sorry, I'm not understanding.
So they're fighting against emergency contraceptives like basic Plan B pills and IUDs. So not abortifacients. They are contraceptives. I don't know.
I am the pro-choice generation.
The Hobby Lobby case was a challenge to just 4 abortion-inducing drugs and devices. For the Daily Signal, I'm Kelsey Harkness.